Hiya Nutters! I don't know about you, but sometimes I feel restless and anxious inside. And today I got up and I already felt it right away. I couldn't get anything done. I tried to do some chores, but I did everything half. And that was terribly annoying. Even more as I got the feeling that I didn't accomplish anything at all. That feeling of inside, it was growing. And sometimes it's hard to pinpoint the reason for such a feeling right away, even when it's kind of obvious as you find out why it is. So here I was, all annoyed and stuffs, and then I remembered I forgot to journal today. And as I sat down with it, I started to write the things I'm grateful of. That always gives me a sense of happiness. Then I wrote some of my dreams and other things, and at last I started to write a brain dump from everything that was going on in there, and I slowly found out what was going on. To be able to address this feeling was good, as I kind of didn't consciously realize why I was feeling this way. I will tell you a little bit about it. At the moment, our oldest dog Boris, a rescue dog from Spain, is very ill. He has liver disease and he has often seizures. The bad thing is he has them at night, as in last night also. And since he got ill, he sleeps with me. But it's painful to watch and it's also nerve-wracking. It's making me anxious at nights to go to sleep, and during the days I'm so tired because of the bad sleeping. So often I stay in a kind of awake stage and I'm jumpy as I'm laying in bed. Every move he makes, I think, oh gosh, he's having it. I also know he won't make it for long anymore. Although I'm saying this for months now, but it still is the fact. So there it was. That's what is getting me anxious and nervous at the moment. I felt a bit silly that I didn't even recognize this before, because it's haunting me for some time already. But writing made me understand that I'm scared of the thought of losing him. So now I know. Now I know what is going on, and I can make a head start to give myself some rest and self-love today. As I am my own boss, I can make that decision to take some time for me. I know that's a privilege. First of all, I took some deep breath and then I asked myself, what do you really want to do? And I already knew the answer. I wanted to make some art. Lately, I've been creating these collages with a lot of markmaking, and it has a really calming effect on me. The repeating stripes, circles, they are like a meditation, and I kind of zone out. I have seen beautiful art made with this technique, but for me that's not really the point. It's the process of drawing, as I said, the zoning out. As I'm creating this, Boris is laying with me in my atelier, and feeling him next to me is a very loving feeling. Boy, I love that dog. I really hope that my little story can help you to find your inner peace and relaxation mode for you as well. That's why I started this channel, to show you how art helps me with a lot when I'm feeling down, anxious or sad. Creating in a lovingly way is healing your soul. It helps you to relax, but it also helps you to process your emotions and pain. I don't even use fancy art supplies. Most of it today was reused. In fact, The white paper with the colorful stains was a paper that I used to cover my desk. I just liked the colors so much and used some acrylic markers in the same colors to match it. The last bit of the video I didn't get because I forgot to turn on the camera. Because most of the process was filmed, I decided to show it anyway. Last week I looked at the earlier things I made and I can see some progress in it. I'm way more confident with the things I make, although it's mostly the process of creating that I'm in love with. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up or even subscribe to the channel, as I'm always here to inspire others and getting inspired by it too. If you would like to know more about how I started, then you could have a look at this video. I will tell you the whole story. Please take good care of yourself and be compassionate with yourself when you aren't feeling well. And look for some self-love today. Well, that's all for today. I wish you a lovely day and a big hug from me, and bye-bye for now.